Stop using things like sage and palo santo and other incense to cleanse and clear your energy. Instead, use something that works better, sound frequency weapons, such as Tibetan singing bowls, a shaker stick, finger cymbals known as zills, brass bells, jingle bells, or energy chimes. These things work instantly and drive out unclean spirits, evil energies and entities, and anything from beyond the veil that doesn't belong here. It will drive things out of your walls, out of things such as furniture or paintings that you suspect have an attachment. It will clear the energy from tarot cards, crystals, your aura, your home, your thresholds, etc., etc., and works much faster